you very much. I think it was a good game. Of course, it was my first debut for the Warriors, and I was happy with the performance, but not content, because I have to continue working hard and take each game as it comes. It was a good training session, despite the weather is hot, but we have to adapt, because I'm sure when we play on Tuesday, it's going to be almost one and the same type of humidity. So I think we have to adapt and acclimatize to the weather. Yeah, of course, it's not going to be an easy game, but football is always different and football is full of surprises. We have to do our best and give it all when we play them. Of course, they've got quality, and also we've got quality. So it would determine how we are going to impose ourselves on the game. First and foremost, I have to thank him for giving me the opportunity. Yeah, he's a man of his words. He's a coach who always gives us confidence, and I think before the game, he just told me to do my best and do the simplest thing during the game. And I'm grateful, because I did the same thing that he told me to do. It's not about the size, it's how you impose yourself in every task that you face. And also, it has to go with the game intelligence, how you implement your attributes in the game and how you impose your strength. If you may ask me, I think I'm fast and also I'm tough, but that has to go with your mentality, because you have to prepare yourself mentally and physically.